Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. Welcome to online class. Exercise 6.3. Question number 24. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 at the point x naught and y naught. At point is given, you want to find slope of the normal and slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, how to find? Already I discussed, right? You have to differentiate the given curve equation, right? Now I'm going to enter into the solution. Listen carefully, children. See here, solution. Given the curve equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. You are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with respect to x. Here you see x square by a square. 1 by a square is constant as such while differentiating, right? 1 by a square. When you differentiate x square, what you will get? 2x minus 1 by b square constant as such. When you differentiate y square, what can you get? Yeah, very good. 2y into dy by dx. The right hand side it becomes 0. One thing you have to listen, in both the term 2 is common. So you have to divide by 2. The right hand side you have 0, so it won't be affected. X by a square minus y by b square into dy by dx equal to 0. But I want dy by dx alone in the left hand side. That it represents your slope of the tangent, right? Slope of the tangent. What? Slope of the tangent is dy by dx. From the previous step, you are going to find slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx, right? See here, dy by dx into minus is there, minus y by b square dy by dx equal to, when you shift x by a square, minus x by a square, minus cancel. Now which implies dy by dx equal to x by a square into, because I am going to write this term as a reciprocal. When you shift this term to this side, it will act as a division. If you write it in the reciprocal, it is easy for you. Write x into, that is b square by y, right? Now what is your dy by dx? X b square divided by y a square. This is your slope of the tangent. What is it? What it is? X b square by y a square. Slope of the tangent at, slope of the tangent. The point is given to you. Slope of the tangent at x naught comma y naught. That means you have to replace x by x naught and y by y naught, which is equal to b square x naught divided by a square y naught. This is your slope of the tangent. You know the point. Using that, you are going to find out equation of the tangent, right? Equation of the tangent. How to find equation of the tangent using the one point slope form? That is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. What is your y1 here? It is given as y0. Y minus y0 equal to, what is your slope? b square x naught divided by a square y naught into x minus x naught. Then you cross multiply. Right? What can you get? A square y naught minus a square y naught square equal to b square x naught minus b square x naught square. Now we are going to write it as a equation format. That means right hand side you are going to make it as a 0. You are going to make it as 0. Now x naught b square minus y naught a square minus b square x naught square plus a square y naught square equal to 0. Right? What is your equation of the tangent? Anyone you have to repeat? Yeah, very good. What it is? X naught b square minus y naught y naught a square y naught square. Sorry. Y naught a square minus b square x naught square plus a square y naught square. Here you are going to make it as an equation in terms of equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola. How you can get equation of the hyperbola? Anyone, if you have idea, you please share with me. Anyone? Yeah, tell me. Anyone? You have to divide by what? Anyone, you have to divide by a square by a square by b square, or you can keep as such. What you can arrive, you see, x naught b square y naught. If you are dividing by, or you can write like this, it is easy for you, right? Y naught y naught b square into, like that you write, right? This also you keep as such. I am going to modify in terms of equation of the hyperbola. For that purpose, I am going to multiply the b square by y naught. I am going to shift to the opposite side as y naught b square, right? Y naught by b square into y minus y naught equal to x naught by a square into x minus x naught. This is also correct, right? What you wrote, that is also correct. This is also correct. But you are going to modify in terms of equation of the hyperbola, right? How I am going to get equation of the hyperbola? Right? See here, y naught y naught by b square minus y naught square by b square equal to what? Anyone? X naught by a square minus x naught square by a square minus x naught square by a square. How can you get x? How can you get the thing? Anyone? Anyone give a reply? See here, y naught by b square, y naught by b square minus x naught by a square equal to. Anyone, if you have idea, you should tell me. Yeah. Now I am going to write. See here carefully, children. Right? X naught square by a square minus y naught square by b square, y naught square by b square equal to equal to what? X naught by a square minus y naught by b square equal to, see here in the left hand side what we have, x square by a square minus y square by b square. The right hand side, see I underline that, no, that it represents your 1, because x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to given in your question, right? See here, which implies x naught by a square minus y naught by b square equal to 1. How can I get the left hand side? It represents your given curve equation. Left hand side it represents your given curve equation. Here the LHS, I underlined the LHS, it represents the curve equation as x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, right? Now what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent is x naught by a square minus y naught by b square equal to 1. Now I want to find equation of the normal, right? First you should find out what is slope of the normal, right? What is slope of the normal? Slope of the normal equal to slope of the normal. That you know, the reciprocal, right? Slope of the normal equal to what it is? Minus a square y naught by b square x naught. b square x naught. Here also you are going to do the same thing, right? What you are going to do the same thing? Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. What it is? Equation of the normal is y minus y naught equal to minus a square y naught by b square x naught into x minus x naught, right? You have to cross multiply and modify the equation, right? What it is? X naught b square y minus x naught y naught b square equal to minus a square y naught x minus into minus plus a square y naught x naught, right? You keep as such. This is your equation of the normal. If you want, you shift the term to the left side and make the right hand side become 0. That you know very well. You have to complete it, right? Children, you have to complete it. Now I am going to move to question number 25. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root of 3x minus 2, right? See here, root of minus root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line, Here also the same. First step, you want to differentiate with respect to x. Then the parallel only will help you to solve this problem. Already I discussed the same thing in question number 23. Right. Now you see solution given. Y is equal to root of 3x minus 2, which is equal to 3x minus 2 the whole power 1 by 2. Now you are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to, first you are going to apply the derivative of x power n concept. 3x minus 2 the whole power 1 by 2 minus 1. Then you enter into the bracket. When you differentiate, it will give you 3. The 2 is constant, right? Now, which is equal to what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 root of 3x minus 2. How can I get 3x minus 2 in the denominator? Because the power is negative. 1 by 2 minus 1 means it represents minus 1 by 2. If you want, you write it here itself, right? 3 by 2 into 3x minus 2 the whole power minus 1 by 2. That I shift to the denominator, so I arrived this, right? This is your slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent of the curve, right? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to 3 divided by 2 into root of 3x minus 2, right? 3x minus 2. Now, the given equation, what it is? The equation of that line. Equation of the line is what? 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. This one you are going to modify in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. So 2y equal to 4x plus 5. Then y is equal to 4 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2 is of the form what? Y is equal to mx plus c. If you modify, it is easy to find the slope of the line. What is your slope of the line? Anyone? I told you. Coefficient of x. Yeah, very good. What is your coefficient of x here? You see, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So, slope of the line equal to that is m equal to 2. Coefficient of x is 2. Here it is given as what? The tangent and the lines are parallel, right? What it is given to you? The tangent to the curve is parallel to the line. Given tangent to the curve is parallel to the line, which implies slopes are equal. Slopes are equal, right? Now, slopes are equal means what is the slope of the tangent to the curve? That is 3 by 2 into root of 3x minus 2, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. Now you have to cross multiply. What can you get? 3 is equal to 4 into root of 3x minus 2. Then one side you have root, another side you didn't have a root. For that purpose, you are going to squaring on both the sides. What you are going to do? You want to squaring on both the sides. If both the sides are equal only, you can get the answer easily, right? 3 square equal to 4 square, squaring on both the sides. squaring on both the sides, right? Then when you are squaring, the square root has to be removed. So what can you get? 3x minus 2. What can you get? 3x minus 2. Now you see 9, then which is equal to 16 into 3x minus 2, which implies 9 equal to 48x minus 32. Then 32 plus 9 equal to 48x implies x is equal to 41 divided by 48. 41 divided by 48. Then substitute x value in the curve equation. X is equal to 41 by 8. X is equal to 41 by 48. Substitute in y is equal to root of 3x minus 2, right? 3x minus 2. Now, y is equal to root of 3 into, what is your x value? 41 by 48 minus 2, which is equal to root of 123 minus 96 divided by 48. What can you get? You see here 123 minus 96. What you can get? Anyone? Yeah, tell me. Anyone? You have to participate, right? Now you have to subtract. What can you get? If you have a doubt, better you should do the subtraction in the right side. Nothing is wrong, right? 13, so 7, then 11, 2, 27. 27 divided by 48. You have to divide by 3. Both numerator and denominator can be cancelled by 3. Y is equal to root of 27 by 48. You have to cancel 9. Here it becomes 16, which implies y is equal to 3 by 4, right? Now, you know the x value and the y value. You want to find equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. What is your slope here? M equal to 2, right? Equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. What is your y1? What is your x1? X1 is 41 by 48. Y1 is 3 by 4, right? Now, y minus 3 by 4 equal to your slope is 2, x minus 41 by 48. Now, you have to cross multiply, that is LCM. 4y minus 3 divided by 4 equal to 2 into 48x minus 41 divided by 48, right? Now, 2 ones are here, 24, 4 ones are here, it becomes 6. Then you cross multiply. What can you get? You see 6 into 4y, 24y, right? Cross multiply, right? 24y minus 18 equal to 48x minus 41. 48x minus 24y minus 41 plus 18 equal to 0. 48x minus 24y minus 23 equal to 0 is the required equation, right? Required equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Thank you, children. I'll continue tomorrow, right? Before I end up, I want to explain to you again, right? See here. 1 minute, I'll explain, right? Equation of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola. You are differentiating. You arrived dy by dx as what? My x b square by y a square. Then you substitute the point x naught y naught. You arrived b square x naught by a square y naught. Then equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Your x1 as x naught, y1 as y naught. You arrived. I put a tick no. Up to that, if you end up also, the solution is correct, right? One more method I implemented here, that is I modify the format in terms of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 for equation tangent alone. Equation of the normal you people should try so that I stop, right? You have to listen here. For that purpose, what I did, y naught by b square, I took to the left side and I multiplied as y naught by b square minus y naught square by b square equal to x naught by a square minus x naught square by a square. I arrived like this. The left hand side I underlined. It represents the curve equation as x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So that x naught by a square minus y naught by b square equal to 1. Slope of the normal, reciprocal with opposite symbol. Equation of the normal, y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Up to this, if you end up also, nothing is wrong, right? If you want, you simplify, or otherwise you leave. X naught b square y minus x naught y naught b square equal to minus a square y naught x plus a square y naught x naught. Next, find the equation of the tangent which is parallel to the line. The parallel only will help you to solve. First, you are differentiated. You arrived the result as 3 by 2 into root of 3x minus 2. Equation of the line is given that you modified in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. Here your slope of the line is 2. In the question it is given as parallel. So you are equating slope of the tangent to the curve and the slope of the line. Slopes are equal, so you are equating. You arrived x value as 41 by 48. That you substitute in the curve equation. You arrived y is equal to 3 by 4. Equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Finally, you arrived what? 48x minus 24y minus 23 equal to 0 is the required equation. Right, children? See? Equation of the tangent. I am going to end the class. Tomorrow I will continue.